Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a heat map in Excel. Let's get started. The first step toward creating a heat map is selecting all the data you want to include. Then go to the Home tab, and in the Style section, click on Conditional Formatting. Here, you can find multiple useful options for convenient data visualization. Choose Color Scales, and then select the most suitable visualization from the predefined designs. For example, the first design consists of 3 colors. Alternatively, we can choose a 2-color design. In this case, we'll use the first style. After clicking on it, the heat map is applied, making the data much clearer in the table. You can immediately spot the highest, lowest, and middle sales values. Let's proceed and see how to edit the heat map, or if needed, how to remove it. But let's do this step by step. To edit the heat map, click anywhere within its area. Then click on Conditional Formatting and select Manage Rules. A window appears where you can click on Edit Rule. There are various options for editing, but we'll go through the basic ones. For instance, you can decide whether to use a 3-color or 2-color design. We'll stick to the 3-color scheme and move on. Here, you can exchange the colors in the heat map for a completely different set, depending on your needs. Once done, press OK, then confirm by pressing OK again. To remove the heat map completely, select the option Clear Rules in the Conditional Formatting and click on Clear Rules from the entire sheet. And that's it. The heat map is gone. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.